Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a school microscope. First, find a stable, flat surface for your microscope. Connect the power cord and turn on the illuminator light. Next, rotate the revolving nosepiece to select the lowest power objective lens, typically 4 times magnification. Finally, place your prepared slide onto the stage and secure it gently under the stage clips, ensuring it is centered. Now, let's focus your specimen. While looking through the eyepiece, slowly turn the coarse adjustment knob to bring the stage up until the specimen is almost touching the objective lens. Then, slowly lower the stage until you see an image. Use the fine adjustment knob to achieve a perfectly sharp and clear focus. Gently move the slide to center the specific area you wish to observe. Once you have a clear view at low power, you can increase magnification. Rotate the revolving nosepiece to switch to a higher power objective lens, such as 10 times or 40 times magnification. At this point, only use the fine adjustment knob for minor focusing adjustments. Remember to adjust the diaphragm to control the amount of light, ensuring optimal contrast for your observation. Higher magnification reveals more detail, but a smaller area. Proper care ensures your microscope lasts a long time. Always turn off the illuminator and unplug the microscope carefully. Rotate the revolving nosepiece back to the lowest power objective lens, ensuring it is in the viewing position. Gently clean all lenses using only special lens paper and a small amount of lens cleaning solution. Finally, cover the microscope with its dust cover and store it in a designated safe place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.